Welcome to your ultimate quick reference for hairstyling. In this lesson, we'll pull together all the theoretical concepts you've learned about styling, making it easy for you to review and prepare for real-world application. We'll also introduce rubrics so you know exactly how your performance will be measured. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you ensure client satisfaction and professional growth. Let's get started by exploring the essential guidelines and service overview that form the foundation of every successful styling experience. Have you ever had a haircut and after it was styled you couldn't wait to get home and wash your hair? This common feeling highlights the importance of paying attention to every detail during the styling process. When you focus on preparation, procedure, and completion, you ensure your clients leave feeling confident and happy with their look. This attention to detail not only boosts their satisfaction but also encourages them to return for more services. Let's dive into how you can create a positive and memorable experience for every client. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to provide clear examples of guidelines that ensure client comfort and satisfaction during hairstyling. You'll also be able to describe the three main areas of a hairstyling service: preparation, procedure, and completion. These objectives will help you structure your approach and deliver consistent, high-quality results every time. Let's break down each area and see how they contribute to a seamless styling experience. This lesson brings together everything you've learned about hairstyling theory, tools, techniques, and guest relations. Styling is not just about the final look, it's about applying your knowledge before, during, and after the service to guarantee client comfort and satisfaction. Each step, from consultation to completion, plays a vital role in the overall experience. Let's see how your expertise can shine through every phase of the service. Combining your hands-on experience with predictable, step-by-step procedures is the secret to successful styling. When you follow a structured approach, you create a positive and reliable service experience for your client. This not only builds trust but also ensures that every client receives the same high standard of care and attention. Let's look at how to blend your expertise with proven methods for the best results. Before you begin blow drying, it's important to preview the intended direction of the style. Proper sectioning is crucial. Focus on creating specific side parts and avoid using sectioning clips whenever possible. This careful preparation sets the stage for a smooth and efficient styling process, helping you achieve the desired look while keeping the client comfortable and relaxed. The diameter and position of your styling tools determine the volume and texture of the final look. Always check your client's comfort with the heat produced by tools and test the temperature of irons before use. Use a hard rubber or non-flammable, heat-resistant comb between the hot tool and the scalp to protect your client from burns. These safety measures are essential for a positive styling experience. Avoid excessive tension and pulling when styling hair, and be careful not to scratch the client's scalp with combs or brushes. Monitor your client's comfort, especially when using a hood dryer, and minimize direct contact with styling products on the scalp. These small details make a big difference in the overall experience and help maintain client trust and satisfaction. Advise your client on styles that suit their hair texture and clearly communicate the maintenance cost and frequency. Confirm the size of braids, twists, or locks and use oils on the scalp as needed. For new clients, always communicate the expected length of the appointment. Open and honest communication helps set realistic expectations and builds a strong client-stylist relationship. Every styling service can be broken down into three main areas: preparation, procedure, and completion. Preparation includes all the steps you take before styling begins, procedure covers the techniques and methods used during styling, and completion involves the finishing touches and aftercare. Mastering each area ensures a smooth, predictable, and satisfying experience for your client. A successful styling service follows four main steps: connect, consult, create, and complete. Start by establishing rapport and building credibility. Then analyze your client's wants and needs, visualize the end result, and organize a plan. During the create phase, focus on producing results that are functional, predictable, and pleasing. Finally, review the experience, offer product recommendations, and express your appreciation. Before you begin styling, follow these essential preparation steps. Clean and disinfect your workstation, arrange disinfected tools and supplies, and wash your hands thoroughly. Conduct a hair and scalp analysis and remove and store any jewelry or accessories your client may be wearing. These steps ensure a safe, hygienic, and comfortable environment for both you and your client. A typical styling process includes draping, shampooing, and conditioning the hair, replacing the towel with a neck strip, and applying a thermal protectant. Remove excess moisture, distribute and mold the hair section and part as needed, and apply proper base control. Always monitor and test the temperature of your tools, relax and detail the style, and dry mold or beckham/backbrush when necessary. For roller sets, start by applying the appropriate product, sectioning the hair, and distributing and molding it. When using rollers, scale, part, and apply as needed, then place the client under a hood dryer and monitor their comfort. After drying, relax, dry mold and backbrush or backcomb if necessary, then define and detail the final look. Begin with draping, shampooing, and conditioning, then replace the towel with a neck strip and apply hair oil. Section the hair, apply styling gel or water if needed, and part according to the desired size and direction. Remove tangles, apply the twist technique with combs or fingers, place the client under a hood dryer, separate twisted strands, and add final details. For braids and cornrows, drape, shampoo, and condition the hair, then replace the towel with a neck strip. Section the hair, part according to direction and size, and apply the chosen technique, either a 3-strand underbraid or overbraid. Braid ends off the scalp when you reach the hairline, adapt partings to the head's curves, secure with elastic bands, trim ends, and add final details. Start by draping, shampooing, and conditioning, then replace the towel with a neck strip and apply hair oil. Section the hair, spray new growth with water, and part according to the size of existing locks. Apply the twist technique to new growth, twist quickly and continuously, roll to seal and tight, secure with a clip, trim and refine along the hairline, place the client under a hood dryer, and detail or trim loose hairs. After finishing the style, reinforce your client's satisfaction, recommend suitable products, and encourage pre-booking their next appointment. Clean and disinfect all tools, supplies, and your workstation, complete the client's record, and wash your hands. These final steps ensure a safe, hygienic environment and leave a lasting positive impression. Performance rubrics are essential for measuring your progress objectively. Each rubric is divided into the 3 main areas of styling services and includes step-by-step procedures to ensure client safety and satisfaction. In this lesson, you'll find rubrics for blow drying, thermal iron, press and curl, molding, roller set, twist, braid, cornrow, and locks. Use these rubrics to guide your practice and self-assessment. Throughout this lesson, you'll encounter check what you know questions. These are designed to help you affirm your understanding of key points and identify any areas that may need further review. Take your time with these questions. They're a valuable tool for reinforcing your learning and building confidence in your skills. As you progress, continue to engage with the check what you know questions. These checkpoints are strategically placed to ensure you're absorbing the material and can apply it in practical scenarios. Don't rush, reflect on your answers, and use them to guide your study and practice. Each check what you know section is an opportunity to affirm your grasp of the core concepts. These questions are not just for review, they help you internalize the procedures and best practices that will set you apart as a professional stylist. Embrace these moments to solidify your learning. As you complete each section, take a moment to celebrate your progress. Recognizing your achievements helps keep you motivated and engaged. Every step you take brings you closer to mastering the art and science of hairstyling. Let's keep the momentum going as we move forward. Validation is an important part of the learning process. By celebrating what you've learned, you reinforce your understanding and build confidence in your abilities. Take pride in your progress and use each milestone as a stepping stone to further success in your styling career. The journey to becoming a skilled stylist is ongoing. Each lesson, practice session, and client interaction offers new opportunities to learn and grow. Stay curious, seek feedback, and always look for ways to refine your techniques. Your commitment to continuous improvement will set you apart in the industry. Take time to review what you've learned in this lesson. Reflect on the guidelines, procedures, and rubrics that support client comfort and satisfaction. Use your notes and the provided rubrics as a reference for future practice. This habit of review and reflection will help you internalize best practices and deliver outstanding results. Styling client guidelines are the backbone of a successful service. They ensure every client feels comfortable, respected, and valued. Always listen actively to your client's needs, maintain a clean and organized workspace, and communicate clearly throughout the process. These guidelines help build trust and foster long-term client relationships. A comprehensive styling service includes preparation, procedure, and completion. Each phase is designed to create a seamless and enjoyable experience for the client. By following a structured approach, you can consistently deliver high-quality results and exceed client expectations every time. Rubrics are detailed scoring guides that help you measure your performance objectively. They break down each styling technique into clear, actionable steps, ensuring you meet professional standards for safety and client satisfaction. Use these rubrics as a checklist during practice and real services to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. You've now reviewed all the key concepts, procedures, and rubrics for hairstyling. Remember, success comes from combining technical skill with attention to detail and client care. Continue practicing, use the rubrics for self-assessment, and always strive to enhance your client's experience. Your dedication will lead to mastery and a rewarding career in hairstyling.